preventable. Environmental toxins in cancer. Wide range of environmental toxins are carcinogenic. Industrial chemicals, dusts, engine exhaust, metals, combustion products and radiation. Toxic substances are often invisible, scentless, flavorless. So watch out. 1. Long-term exposure to asbestos leads to cancers. The tiny fibers of asbestos in air get easily lodged in lungs and increase the risk of developing cancers of ovary, larynx and lung, including mesothelioma. 2. Diesel engine exhaust, DE. Burning diesel fuels lead to a mixture of airborne chemicals. Increased risk of lung and possibly bladder cancer. 3. Welding. Contaminants such as chrome in welding fumes and UV radiation in welding arc increases the risk of developing melanoma of the eye, lung and other cancers. 4. Secondhand smoke. Passive smoking too increases risk of lung, nasal sinus and breast cancers. 5. Silica. Exposure to silica dust leads to the development of lung cancer. Six. Solar UV or ionizing radiation increases the risk of cancer. Other significant carcinogens: benzene, leukemias, lead, kidney and other tumors, polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, skin, lung, bladder, stomach and other cancers.